For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a bakery can be a rewarding business if approached strategically. With the help of artificial intelligence, the startup process becomes more efficient, data-driven, and less overwhelming. From planning and branding to managing operations and marketing, AI tools can assist every step of the way. Here's a step-by-step 1,000-word guide to starting your own bakery business with the help of AI. 1. Research and validate your idea. Before you begin, conduct thorough market research. Identify customer preferences, analyze competitors, and assess demand in your target area. Use AI tools. ChatGPT, OpenAI to brainstorm business models, customer profiles, and pricing strategies. Google Trends to identify trending bakery products. Crayon or SimilarWeb for competitive intelligence. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, can you help me research current bakery trends, including the most popular baked goods and customer preferences in urban areas? 2. Create a business plan. A solid business plan lays the foundation for your bakery. It includes your business concept, market analysis, marketing plan, financial projections, and operations plan. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for drafting the plan section by section. Live Plan for structured business plan creation. Biz Plan for collaborative and visual planning. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, write me a detailed business plan for a neighborhood bakery offering artisan bread, pastries, and coffee. Include financial projections, marketing strategy, and operational structure. 3. Choose a location and bakery concept. Decide if you'll open a brick-and-mortar shop, operate from home, or sell online. Pick a bakery concept that aligns with your target market, such as a patisserie, gluten-free bakery, or artisan bread shop. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for comparing location models. GIS-based tools like ESRI or SiteZeus to analyze foot traffic and demographics. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, compare the pros and cons of opening a small retail bakery versus an online-only bakery, considering costs, customer reach, and daily operations. 4. Name your bakery and design a brand. Your brand sets the tone for customer experience. Choose a memorable name, craft a logo, and build a consistent brand identity. Use AI tools. Namalix for AI-generated brand names. Loca or Canva for AI-assisted logo and brand kit creation. ChatGPT for brand messaging and voice. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, suggest 10 creative bakery names that convey freshness, warmth, and community and sound premium but friendly. 5. Register your business and handle legalities. Choose your business structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. Register with your state, obtain permits, food handling, health inspection, and ensure you're compliant with local laws. Use AI tools. ChatGPT to understand business structure pros/cons. LegalZoom or Taylor Brands for AI-assisted business registration and document filing. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, explain the advantages and disadvantages of registering a bakery as an LLC versus a sole proprietorship in Florida. 6. Develop your menu and recipes. Plan your menu based on your concept, customer preferences, and pricing strategy. Consider offering vegan, gluten-free, or unique specialty items. Use AI tools. ChatGPT for brainstorming product ideas. Chef Watson, IBM for recipe inspiration based on ingredient pairings. Canva for designing menus. Suggested prompt. ChatGPT, suggest a diverse bakery menu of 12 items, including 3 vegan options, 2 gluten-free options, and a signature pastry item. Asterisk. 7. Estimate startup costs and get funding. Estimate costs for equipment, rent, ingredients, staff, and marketing. Secure funding through personal savings, small business loans, or investors. Use AI tools. Asterisk ChatGPT for startup cost templates and financial modeling. Asterisk QuickBooks or Wave for financial planning and AI-driven insights. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT create a startup cost breakdown for a 1,200 square foot bakery, including ovens, mixers, shelving, furniture, and initial inventory. Asterisk. 8. Purchase equipment and set up your kitchen. Buy commercial baking equipment like ovens, proofers, mixers, refrigerators, and display cases. Ensure your kitchen layout maximizes efficiency. Use AI tools. Asterisk ChatGPT for equipment checklists. Asterisk Planner 5D or SmartDraw for kitchen layout design. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT list all the essential equipment needed to open a commercial bakery producing bread, cakes, and croissants. Asterisk. 9. Hire and train staff. If your bakery will employ others, start hiring early. Look for experienced bakers, baristas, if serving drinks, and friendly customer service staff. Use AI tools. Asterisk ChatGPT to write job descriptions and interview questions. Asterisk Sapia.ai or Pymetrics for AI-driven hiring assessments. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT. Write a job ad for a head baker who specializes in European-style artisan breads. Asterisk. 10. Build a website and set up online ordering. An online presence is essential. Your website should display your menu, allow ordering, and tell your story. Use AI tools. Asterisk Wix ADI or Shopify for AI-powered website building. Asterisk ChatGPT for writing web copy and FAQs. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT. Write an About Us page for a family-owned bakery that emphasizes tradition, quality, and local ingredients. Asterisk. 11. Create a marketing plan. Use AI to develop a marketing plan with online and local tactics. Focus on SEO, social media, email marketing, and promotions. Use AI tools. Asterisk ChatGPT for writing a full marketing plan. Asterisk Copy.ai or Jasper for ad copy and social media posts. Asterisk MailChimp for AI-powered email campaigns. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT. Create a 3-month bakery marketing plan targeting local families, using social media, local partnerships, and email. Asterisk. 12. Leverage social media and AI tools for engagement. Create engaging posts, run giveaways, and share behind-the-scenes content. Use AI tools. Asterisk Canva to design bakery-themed content. Asterisk ChatGPT for caption ideas and content calendars. Asterisk Buffer or Later for AI-scheduled posting. Suggested prompt. Asterisk ChatGPT. Write 10 Instagram captions for promoting a new cinnamon roll launch, focusing on warmth, sweetness, and indulgence. Asterisk. Conclusion. With AI, starting and running a bakery business becomes more manageable, data-informed, and innovative. From planning and branding to operations and marketing, AI tools streamline decision-making and reduce the guesswork. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just baking your dream into reality, leveraging AI can give your bakery a competitive edge. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.